Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome to Happy Best channel. I hope you all are good. So today guys, we are going to be making akara, how to fry akara. So this akara, I'm going to be using bees to make the akara, and this recipe is so easy. So guys, after watching, please share my video, like, give it a thumbs up. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and share my video with your friends. Please, if you don't understand anything, please kindly comment at the comment section and I will kindly reply you. Thank you very much. So guys, this is my base. I'm about to wash it. I've soaked this base for 3 hours, so I'm about to wash the base now. I'm going to show you after I've washed the base. Then I will blend it. After blending, I'm going to slice my pepper and add my salt before frying. So I'm going to wash this base now and show you after washing the base. So as you can see, I've washed my base and this is the outcome. So I'm going to blend this with my blender. After blending, I will add my pepper. I will slice my pepper. I will add my fresh pepper and my sliced onions with a little bit of salt to taste. So guys, as you can see, I've blended the base and it's very thick. When it's thick, it's okay. Don't make your base to be that light. Don't add much water. Add a little bit of water to blend the base. So I've added the sliced onions inside. I'm going to add my pepper. You see my sliced pepper and a little bit of salt to taste. Then you will keep mixing. Keep mixing. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt because I just tested it if it's okay. Then you have to turn this for like 5 to 10 minutes. So keep turning for like 5 to 10 minutes before frying. So I'm about to fry my akara. As you can see, that's my groundnut oil. It's hot already. So you add okay. So I'm going to leave it like this, be turning it till it turns brown. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So guys, as you can see, it's frying. I just want to show you how it looks like. So guys, this is what we want. As you can see, it's okay like this. I don't want it that dry, you understand? So I'm going to remove it now and try another one. So guys, this is what we have. Now our akara is ready. So I just love it the way the color is. Not too dry. So it's okay like this. Don't about the size. It depends on how you want it. You want it to be more bigger, more smaller. I just like my size like this. So it's an easy recipe. If you want to try yours, go ahead and try it. It's very nice. Thanks for watching.